It's hot as shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, besides the fact that it's ridiculously hot in Florida, I have gone fall shopping. Yes, pause for dramatic effect, fall shopping. And so I thought today would be a perfect day to bring you guys into my beauty room so that we can do a haul. And besides fall shopping, because I do have clothes, I was gonna try it on and then I'm like, let's be real. I don't know. No, I'm gonna sweat, it's gonna be ridiculous. I don't feel like dealing with it. So, does my contour look even? This is gonna be clothes, this is gonna be shoes, this is gonna be makeup, random shit. Let's be real, I didn't buy this all at once. I'm not a baller by any means. This is stuff that I've picked up beginning of last month and into this month. So yeah, let's go ahead and see everything that I picked up. I think I'm gonna start with makeup first just because it's a lot smaller. It's not such a big haul of makeup. The last big haul that I did was just a few months ago, so I was like, not gonna do that much this time. So I only have a few little makeup products that I wanna go through, and some of it is just re-up because your girl needed her eyebrow pencil back in her life. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get started with this first. So I went online to Amazon and I found this CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics 12 color face and body paint. This is just what it looks like. If you can see, it just has all the colors that you would need to create a makeup look, a Halloween look, and I mean, if you'd like to draw on yourself. These are oil-based. I did look to see if they had any watercolor, what is it? Water activated paints, and they did, but they were a little bit more pricey, and I'm like, hey, balling on a budget, I'm just gonna go with this one. So I will let you guys know how this works out for me, and you will most likely see it when I start to do the Halloween looks. The other thing that I picked up was from Hardy Bay, and they're these painter brushes, which all look like this. They have different sizes, different shapes. I figured this combined with this to create a look. I don't want to mess up my actual makeup brushes that I have to do Halloween looks, especially because Halloween only comes once a year versus me using my regular brushes all the time. I didn't want to mess them up. I figured let me grab a pack for $4.99. So YOLO. In any case, I picked up these glitter and primer sets. They're just little boxes like this, and these were $1.99. Fam, $1.99. Go to your little local beauty supply store, not Sally's. It has to be like your local beauty supply store. I mean, I'm talking, they have all kinds of weaves. That's where you need to go. They have a makeup section. Most of these places also carry NYX. I think it's a little more expensive to buy NYX at those places versus buying them at your Ulta. So I would definitely buy NYX at Ulta, but like stuff like this where you feel like, I mean, I went to Ulta, I couldn't find any loose glitter. Dipped my pencil in the primer first, drew out the whole line, and what it does is that it kind of creates like a negative space so you know where to apply the glitter. So then I went in right after it on top. I kind of just dipped the glitter in and went little packing it on. I didn't go full ham because I didn't know how it was gonna be, but I really enjoyed these. So I picked it up in the shade gold, in the shade silver, and then purple, and this one's sticking out, but fuchsia. That I went to was for re-up, and this is for my favorite brow pencil. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. Oh shit, is this the thick one? No, just kidding. The L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade 389 Brunettes. Just looks like this. It's $10, and this is one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. I mean, the Anastasia ones are amazing, don't get me wrong, but I'm not spending $21, and the way that I go through these, this is like my fourth one. I can't spend the $21. I can, however, spend the $10, and then usually I like to wait until I have coupons from CVS, and then I'll get money off because that's the type of person that I am. So. Things that I picked up were on sale for Labor Day weekend, so of course this is how you know that it was last month. And I went to Orlando and I was at the outlets in Orlando, and then we stopped at the outlets in Vero Beach, and so I shopped a little bit there. And very excited because I have been wanting these for forever, and they are the Reebok Classics. Not in white, these are the black ones because they didn't have the white in my size. Guys, these were half off. Normally priced at $55, I got them for $24.99. I could not walk away from that deal. It was just way too good to be true. So I picked up the black ones, and I haven't had these since, like, I want to say my freshman year in high school, maybe even middle school. I used to be the shit with these. Like a little jean skirt and these sneakers and a top, and I thought I was all kinds of that in a bag of chips, you know what I mean? Because these were the jam, and in white especially, they were like the jam. The next thing that I got were these off the wall Vans high tops. From these high tops, I am a Zumba dancer, and high tops are my life for when I dance. But on top of them being very functional for Zumba, they're actually really cute in real life to wear with leggings, because sometimes I live in leggings. I live in a lot of leggings and a lot of jeans, and I figured high tops would look very cute. How I did this, I went to Ulta first, then I went to Target. Either way, I blacked out in both stores. So it happens, it's life, it is what it is. Picked up this NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Neutral Tan. It's a 24-hour matte finish. I've seen a lot of reviews about this, and I thought I wanted to give it a shot. The next thing that I picked up at Ulta was this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, 99% naturally derived ingredients, made with rose water, made without parabens, dyes, or silicones. Pink bottle just looks like this. This stuff is amazing. I actually really love this stuff, and I use this morning and night on top of my Mario Badescu's facial spray, but I love the way this smells, and it's really, really refreshing actually. The mister is super fine in this too. So the next place that I went to was Target, and like I said, I blacked out. I can black out in a lot of stores, Target's one of them. So I went to the makeup aisle, of course, first, and I picked up this Sonia Kashuk makeup blender. This was $8? Maybe it was $6. I'm a really bad vlogger because I didn't even keep the receipt. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna return it. The next thing that I got was this Pro Fusion Cosmetics Luminizer 2 palette, 5 shade highlighter palette. Just looks like this. This was $4.99. $4.99. Can you really go wrong with a highlighter palette? 5 shades for $5. So really, really smooth, very buttery. How about that for pigment? I already had highlighter on, but I'm here for it. I'm here all the way for it. The thing that I got in the makeup section is this No. 7 Translucent Perfect Light Loose Powder. I saw that it doesn't give you flashback, and I was in the market for a new translucent powder. I picked up these 2 t-shirts. This one just says Savage right across. These were $12.99. And I got this in the size extra large, but only because I know that I'm not an extra large. Actually, extra large actually fits me really big, but I like to be comfortable in my t-shirts because I'm a t-shirt and jeans kind of girl, and I don't want to be like sucked in everywhere, so I actually like to get a bigger size. Fun fact is one of my favorite shows, and I can't wait for it to come back, but it says it upside down because you know, upside down world, and I thought this was really, really cute, and I want it. So again, this was extra large, and this was actually a little bit more pricey than that one. This one was $14.99, pero like I needed it. So I am in a wedding in February, and I'm going to a bachelorette weekend in Connecticut in about 2 weeks, and so the bride has requested for all of us to wear black. So I went and picked up a pair of pants, which I'll show you coming up, and then I picked up this top to go with it. It's just a plain flowy black tank top. I didn't have any that were dressy. All of mine are more like camis that go underneath sweaters, and so I was like, this is really cute. I can wear this with my jean jacket right over it, my heels, my pants, and call it a day. So this top is from, I don't even know how to say that, so I'm not even gonna try. A Nude Day. Ha! It's cute. Like large, I thought extra large would be too big. Again, I still wanted it flowy, and large is more my size, so it's, you know, tight right here, and then it just kind of flows in. I figured I'd tuck it into my pants, a cute little outfit. But I am going to vlog this bachelorette weekend, so you guys need to stay tuned for that one, because I think that's gonna be a lot of fun. Again, I went shopping with the bride to go to this bachelorette weekend in Connecticut, and we just picked up a few little fall outfits. And I actually got this t-shirt, which you would actually not think that it's even fall. Just has a little pocket right here, and it's beige, size large. The shirt was actually only $7, but the way that it's knotted right here, this is how I got it at the store, and I was so in love with it. I'm gonna show you why, because it goes with another piece, and I was like, this screams fall to me. This color with the other stuff that I got, you're gonna see, screams fall with some jeans and some tall boots, and I'm like, that's super cute. I actually got this in the size medium because they were super big and oversized, and so the small was a little too tight and the large was too big, so medium it is. It was $16.99, and it has a pocket here. In the store, it was actually like this, like somebody was trying to make an outfit out of it, and I was like, I love that. Give it to me the way that it comes. So I picked this up, again, screaming fall to me. The dusty rose color with a pair of jeans, some high boots, and the shirt, the way that it's knotted, perfect. And I'm looking to get into a different kind of style, and I thought this would be really, really good. So that I was telling you guys about, that I'm going to pair with the tank top that I bought at Target to wear for the bachelorette weekend, the night that we go out. We're gonna do dinner and a show and casino and all that. Pants were only $13. They are in the size large. So I'm wearing these with strappy black heels and the black tank top that I showed you guys earlier, tucked in, just a little loose over here in this area. The belt will kind of cinch everything in where my waist is, and then a jean jacket or my leather jacket that I have in like a nude color. That I didn't even tell you. The sweater and the shirt are from Marshalls. If I didn't tell you, the pants were from Marshalls. I kind of mixed everything in. Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, you know, those are my stores. So this one's actually from TJ Maxx. It was $7.99. It is just a plain black crop top, and it has a little bit of the knot right here in the front. This is actually a shirt that I'm gonna wear for my birthday, and I've actually paired this with light wash high-waisted jeans and a black belt, and this much of my midriff shows, so I'm like, okay, I can do this. Really cropped crop top that I've purchased, most of them are longer. I don't like to wear them super cropped like this, but because I'm pairing it with such high-waisted pants, I'm getting away with it. I'm definitely not fit by any means, and you can definitely tell that I like to eat vanilla cupcakes. That's life. Sleeve sweater just looks like this, and it's long sleeve, very soft material. I found it, and it has it's kind of like high-low. It's a little bit lower in the back, so I thought this would be really cute in Connecticut with some leggings, just being really comfortable for some of our day stuff, because we're really only going out one night of the whole weekend, Saturday night obviously, but I figured we're doing like a paint and cocktail thing. So I figured this with some leggings, some sneakers, be really comfortable, really cute, and warm as well. Again, I don't know what the weather is gonna be like, but I kind of hope it's a little bit cold, because I'm bringing long sleeve shirts and I wanna wear them. So this was $12.90. You know what gets me about Forever 21 is, why do you have these odd numbers for prices? Why can't it be $12.99 or $12 even? $12.90, but what are you gonna do with the 10 cents? And then the very last thing from this long haul was this crop top. Again, I love crop tops, and I get them really cheap. I get them at Ross usually for $7. This one was $7. And it's from Disney, and it's Pizza Planet delivery. And I'm like, this shirt is me. Toy Story is one of my favorite movies, and I'm like, ugh. I saw it and I'm like, Toy Story, without even reading the tag. So I actually got this in a size extra large, but again, paired up with some leggings. This is the longer crop. It doesn't show anything really unless you raise your hands up, like I just did. and I was like, I can't go wrong and I cannot not have it. It's Toy Story. I love it. We're gonna do it. So yeah, that was everything that I got from this massive haul. I mean, again, I didn't do this in the course of one day or even a weekend. This was over the course of a month, and I'm probably done buying stuff for Connecticut, but I might pick up another thing here and there. I probably won't make a video out of it because it won't be long enough for it, but I figured I would show you guys what I picked up for the fall-ish time here in Florida. So if you enjoyed this haul and you enjoyed chit-chatting with me and all of that jazz, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be up to date with all the videos that I post. And I'm excited to start the Halloween stuff. I know I said I would this weekend, but that actually will be happening next weekend. And in any case, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing and for supporting me. And make sure you check out my Instagram so you can see all this cute stuff the way that I want to pair it. With that, my loves, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah.